Easy English through stories. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today you will learn English in an easy and natural way through a simple story. Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. One morning, a student woke up early. They looked at their notebook and said, "Today I will practice English." But after a few minutes, they felt tired. They closed the book and said, "This is too difficult for me." They felt unmotivated. Later that day, they sat outside and watched people walking. They heard two people speaking English. They did not understand everything, but they understood a few words. That gave them an idea. Instead of studying grammar all day, they decided to listen more. That night, they found a short English story. They listened once, just listening. No pressure, no stress. Then they listened again. This time, they repeated some sentences, slowly, clearly, step by step. Days passed. Every day they listened to stories. Every day they repeated. Sometimes they made mistakes. Sometimes they forgot words, but they did not stop. After some time, something changed. They started understanding more. They started speaking a little. One day, someone asked them a question in English. They paused for a moment, then answered slowly but clearly. They smiled. For the first time, they felt confident. What can you learn from this story? You don't need to make learning difficult. Keep it simple. Listen to English every day. Use stories to understand naturally. Repeat what you hear. Even if it's slow, it's okay. With time, you will improve. Now, repeat after me. I learn English in an easy way. I listen to stories every day. I am improving step by step. I can speak English. Start today. Don't make English hard. Make it easy and enjoy the process. Practice every day and you will succeed. See you in the next video.